I always kept a little knife inside my teeth, just waiting for a word that cut too deep. You laughed the wrong way on a Tuesday night, and I finally found a reason to start a fight.